Good evening all of you. In this video lecture we will see our lesson number 7, study our lesson number 7. Name of the lesson is Our Village, Our City. First of all we see some points to remember. Grains, vegetables, fruits etc. are produced in a farm. Farming implements, cloth, medicines, automobiles etc. are manufactured in factory. Grains, vegetables, fruits, flowers, etc. are produced in villages. Bicycles, toys, vehicles, clothes, etc. are produced in cities. Means of transport and communication are necessary to fulfill the needs of the people. Earlier, there was a big difference between the city and the village. Now, this difference is reducing due to the facilities of transport and communication. In the olden days, means of sending messages were not very advanced. In those days, people used birds to send messages. Letters, computers, mobile phones, newspapers, television, etc. are the modern means of communication. Recently, there has been an increased use of means of transport and communication. However, this has resulted in an increase in pollution. Everyone should use the means of transport and communication very carefully in order to control pollution. The same language is spoken in different ways in different regions. The pronunciation of the words changes. The words from other languages enter another language. In this way, different dialects of the same language are formed. Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. Ahirani, Malwani, Waradi, etc. are some dialects of the Marathi language. So these are the some points from the lesson number 7. Now we will start question answers. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct words from the bracket. Number 1. Dash is the slow means of transport. Answer is bullock cart. Number 2. Nowadays dash are commonly used for transport. Answer is trains. TRAINS. And number 3. Dash is the new means of transport. Answer is aeroplane. Question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. First one. As man's needs increased, he invented new means of transport. Answer is true. This is the first one. Now we will continue with the true or false with number 2. Boats and ships are the means of air transport. Answer is false. Number 3. Nowadays, a difference between the city and the village is reducing. Answer is true. Number 4. Mobile phone is a means of communication. Answer true. Number 5. Buses, trains, cars are the means of transport used on land. Answer true. So these are the true and false. Next, that is question. Question number 3. Match the column. First one, letter. Answer is means of communication. Number 2, bus, means of transport. And number 3, Malwani. Answer is dialect of Marathi. Next one, that is question number 4. Answer the following questions only in words. Number 1, a stop for trains. Answer is station. Number 2, a place where aeroplane lands. Answer airport. Number 3, a place from where a ship departs. Answer port. Number 4, the slowest mode of transport. Answer waterway. So these are the question number 4. Now question number 5. Name the following. First one, the means of rail transport, trains. Number 2, means of airways, aeroplane. Number 3, the transport routes that need to be built. Answer roads and rail route. Number 4, the natural transport routes. Natural means that we don't need to be built. That is, answer is water route. And number 5, 2 famous tourist places in your district. So first one I have written here, Malshes. Second one you write it as you wish. Question number 6, cross out the wrong alternatives in the following statement. First one, usually machines or vegetables are carried from villages to cities. Here machines is the wrong alternative. Number 2, post or internet is the modern means of communication. Here post is a wrong word. Number 3, Ahirani or Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. Ahirani is the wrong alternative. Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. Number 4, aeroplane is the fastest or slowest means of transport. Here slowest is the wrong word. Question number 7, answer the following questions in one sentence each. First one, which items from vegetables, onions, wheat, motorcycles, books, television and radio come to the city from the village? Which items are coming from the villages to the city? Answer is vegetables, onions, wheat. So these are the items which come from the village to the city. Question number 2, which items from villages, from vegetables, onions, wheat, motorcycles, books, television and radio come to the village from the city? Answer, motorcycles, books, television, radio. Question number 3, what is communication? Answer, to send and receive information and messages is called communication. Question number 4, which problems may arise due to increased use of means of transport and communication? Answer, increased use of means of transport and communication leads to increase in pollution. So this is the question number 7. Now question number 10, answer the following questions in brief. In that first question is, write the benefits of the transport system. Here answer is written in the point wise. Answer, first point, it helps to move passenger and good from one place to another. Second point, it is easy way for industries, trade and tourism. This was the answer of the first question. Now question number 2, write about the railways or major roads in your district. Here we have written about the railways, and that too according to the point. Answer, first point, the railway routes start from Mumbai, passes through Thane district. Second point, Thane-Vashi railways have been developed. And third point, Thane, Diva and Kalyan are major railway junctions. Question number 3, how are the dialects of the same language formed? Answer, the same language is spoken in different ways in different regions. The pronunciation of the words changes with the region. Words from other languages enter our language, are influenced by other languages. Question number 4. Here a passage is given to us and we have to answer the questions regarding with the passage. So I will just first read the passage. Pooja was leaving to meet her friend. Just then the postman came with a letter. While traveling on the bus, Pooja saw some people transporting goods on horseback. When she reached her friend's house, her friend was speaking on her mobile phone. So this is the passage given to us. First question, which means of transport are mentioned in the passage? From the passage we have to find it out which means of transport. Answer, bus, horseback. Question number B, which means of communication are mentioned in the passage? Answer, letter and mobile phone. So these are the question answers from our lesson number 7. So we will meet in the next video with the next lesson.